Gold plunges as investors book profits. It's Wednesday, 22nd of October, and here's what you need to know. Soaring valuations are making Wall Street nervous, and there's been a sell-off in one of this year's best-performing assets, gold. Take a look at our chart of the day. The price of gold fell 5% on Tuesday. That's after a blockbuster run that's seen it gain more than 50% so far this year. Experts told Reuters that FOMO and the search for assets that are safe from President Trump's trade war has driven gold up too far too quickly, and a correction isn't surprising. Taking the shine off gold, there's been a rebound in the US dollar in recent days and some signs of a thawing in the trade dispute between the US and China, although it's not clear if a planned meeting between President Trump and President Xi is actually going ahead at the end of the month. Our stock of the day is Tesla. All eyes will be on those numbers when it reports later. The big question is whether cheaper cars can still protect Tesla's profit margin. The Model 3 and the Model Y sell for about $5,000 less than previous Teslas in the US. The idea is to compete with Chinese car makers in Europe and Asia and to offset the end of a federal tax credit for electric cars in the US. Analysts still think Teslas are too expensive for most car buyers, though. Also under scrutiny is Elon Musk's proposed pay package, which could reach $1 trillion over 10 years. This morning, Tesla recalled 13,000 cars in the US because of a battery fault. Our number of the day is $60 billion. That's reportedly how much Paramount Skydance offered for Warner Bros. Discovery, but that bid has been rejected. It would have valued the company at $24 a share, but Comcast and Netflix are also both reportedly interested. Warner Bros. Is in the process of spinning off its film studio from its TV channels, including HBO and CNN. Paramount Skydance wanted to buy the whole company, but Netflix would likely only be interested in the film studio. Netflix's earnings disappointed investors last night, showing things are tough in the streaming market. It did say that K-pop Demon Hunters has become its most successful ever film. 325 million people watched it. And that's what you need to know this morning.